Hello everyone. Today in Python in Shorts, we are going to learn that why you should learn Python, or basically why Python is so popular nowadays. So the first point is Python is an interpreted language. So the first question comes to the mind, what do you mean by interpreted language? So an interpreted language is one whose implementations are executed directly, that is, they are not compiled before execution. Like in Java or in C++ or in C programming, first the code is compiled and then it is run. But in Python, it is directly run and it gives us many features. So the advantages of interpreted languages, it becomes more flexible. It allows you to do dynamic coding and create programs with smaller size. And since the code is not getting compiled beforehand, it becomes platform independent. Below you can see a flowchart that how a compiler works and how an interpreter works. The second point is that Python is object oriented. Now another question, what is object oriented? I told you in the last video that you will get to know it slowly, but for now object oriented programming is a paradigm based on the concept of objects which can contain data or code. So basically you treat parts of code as objects and not as functions like in other programming languages. So the advantages of object oriented programming is that you get many features and better quality of software and less maintenance costs. And there are many other features like inheritance and abstraction that helps in better coding. The next point is that Python is interactive. You can actually sit on a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write the programs, and in the upcoming videos you will get to know how it is more interactive than other programming languages. Also, you should learn Python because it is beginner friendly, and as I told you earlier, it is very versatile. It can be used in development of wide range of application from simple text processing to browsers to games. And that's it for this one. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one.